The goal here is you start. Obviously, you get the right appropriate licenses. Don't practice without a license, just like driving. Yes, you can drive, right? But you get that driver's license and start practicing driving.
Right.
You'll never perfect the art of driving or defensive driving without actually hopping on the car, turning on the wheel or whatever, and actually driving it. The same thing when you're starting your private practice, a massage therapy practice. Yes, get your license, go to school, go to Serenity Academy of Massage in Henderson, Tennessee, and start doing it. And here we
Mm.
are, always complaining or like, oh, I don't know when to start. And here is Serenity, Stephanie, rocking it. And I'm like, gosh, I
Oh,
need to learn from this lady. So Stephanie, now that for example, I've decided I want to be a massage therapist. I want to
mhm.
go on. And could you tell us first is how much is the tuition fee? Can we afford it? Can we use our card? Should we use FAFSA or Sally Mae or grandma or an uncle, right? Or my wife's money?